Conversion of Fisher projections into wedge dash notation. Here in this figure, the Fisher projection of diglyceraldehyde is given in the bottom. Now it is converted into wedge and dash structure. Here it is very simple. In order to convert the Fisher projection into wedge and dash structure, just write the horizontal groups on wedges and vertical groups on the dashes. See, in the Fisher projection of diglyceraldehyde, hydrogen and hydroxyl groups are present on the horizontal line. So, in the wedge and dash structure, those groups are kept on wedges. In the Fisher projection, CHO and CH2OH groups are on vertical line. So, in the wedge and dash structure, those groups are kept on dashes. One more example, L-glyceraldehyde. In the Fisher projection of L-glyceraldehyde, the OH and H groups are on horizontal line, whereas CHO and CH2OH groups on vertical line. Now, in order to represent this L-glyceraldehyde, these OH and H groups are to be kept on wedges, whereas CHO and CH2OH groups are kept on dashes. That means the horizontal line groups are kept on wedges, the vertical line groups are kept on dashes. Now the Fisher projection of glucose. Here in this figure we can see the Fisher projection of glucose on the left side, wedge and dash structure of glucose on the right side. The vertical line groups CHO and CH2OH are kept on dashes in the wedge dash structure. The remaining all the horizontal groups are kept on wedges. Even we can convert the wedge dash structures into Fisher projections. See, in the first example, the CH2CH3 group, that is ethyl group, and CH2CH2CH3, that is propyl group. Ethyl and propyl groups are on dashes. So, in the Fisher projection, those groups are kept on vertical line. In the wedge dash structure, the E and I are kept on wedges. So, those E and I are shown on horizontal line in the Fisher projection. In the Fisher projection, the top and bottom groups are eclipsed. In the Fisher projection, all the right side groups are eclipsed. All the left side groups are eclipsed. Here eclipsed means the dihedral angle between the selected groups is 0.